Okay, so guys, let's not waste time. So right away, we go to Play Store and search for Smart UDP Pro. Okay, I've already downloaded it, as you can see here. So you also do same. After that, you press on Open. So when it opens, this is how it appears. Okay, maybe there's an update, so they will ask you to apply. Just click on Apply. Okay, it's already applied. So for the first one, SSH, we choose a country, and you can choose any country. It doesn't matter. So let's say Canada. Okay, and then you come to the second section. Then you choose any data bundle in Ghana. This is specifically for Ghanaians. Okay, so right here I'll go for 1 gigabyte. Okay, so my data bundle is set to Vodacom, so I'll change it to MTL. Okay, so I have changed it, and I don't have any bundle on it. Okay, so okay, let me make an example for you to see. I'm trying to open YouTube. You see, it's not working. Okay, so we go back and then see it's a sign into network. It's confirming I don't have any bundle. Okay, so we go to the app and then click on start. Okay, so it has connected. Okay, so let's go back to the YouTube app and check if it's working now. You see, it's very fast. So let's play one video and see how it works. Wow, can you see that? Wow. So you can also go there and download it. It's very simple. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.